Napod si okay na. Ilang G mo. Hi bro. Ilang branch na to bro. Oh, bili na niya kukuan bag. I think yes.
Have you heard of the standby mode from iPhone?
No, I haven't heard about that. I never explored my phone. Yeah.
It's very nice. It can be special.
Pero unsam na what's the purpose of standby mode? Ano, butterfly cases na lagi? Ha? Ah, wala. Gamay na kayo lagi. Tapamang balay. Tapamang balay sa Canada. Oh, tos Michael. Ano sa isda nila? Ito. Ay, ay. Galay na kumpiyan, aslong.
I adjust your camera to record at 4K 60 FPS, so when you record it's automatic.
Ipag posing sabi pusa kaya itong picturean. Ano na bro, na 4K na to no?
UHD is okay.
Wait tayo sa ang sabon. Sabon day pang laba. Sabon pang laba.
Which brand are we going?
Powder.
Yeah. Surf or Tide?
I think we're gonna go for what is on the Surf Tide. Which one you always using and your mom?
The Surf.
Surf.
Yeah. Hi baby. Ito na okay naman ito. This one for
Kiri oh big one oh.
this one.
That one. The big one, and then yeah, big one, and then we have Downy, right?
Yeah.
Downy, and then that's it. This one, bro.
Ang kuha sa Coco liquid detergent or
Sige. Ano kanang pahumot? Softener. Downy.
I forgot what it looks like. And there's always one I used to buy.
Hold on. Sorry. Okay, butang skon. Sige.
That's okay if I can get it also.
Okay, let's go.
Adapting myself. Okay.
Napoy oil, cooking oil for yoyo.
Ah, yeah.
Cooking oil. Where do you get cooking oil?
Cooking oil is up the right.
Yeah, you go cooking oil. Canola oil.
This is the healthiest one.
Okay. Where man canola oil? What's like canola oil? Golden Pesta?
Yeah, that's the one we buy.
Okay. Sige, let's go.
You know what the healthiest oil is? No,
Olive oil?
Yeah, olive oil is the healthiest one.
Olive oil.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. They're probably already first in the line. We're still here.
Yeah.
They're just waiting for us.
37, I think total care. So powder also this one.
Yeah, it's powder.
I think we're gonna add one. So it's okay. Total care wings. Sige na yun. Let's go. Oh bro, wait. Piniam ta siya. Bro, can we check this one? Okay, you like?
No, it smells okay. This is for perfume, no?
Oh yeah. Alright, this one juicy. I like this one juicy scent.
How it go on?
This one I like this one.
Yep.
Ikaw, you wanna get one?
No, it's okay lang.
Oh, let's go.
I'll buy lang a perfume next time I go out.
Kuan lang ka diha. I don't like the perfume. Oh. I-count sa nakukuha na alita diri. Nasa i-count 50 count sa tagamay, okay. 8 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay.